Good morning. It's beach day. So car's already packed up. Rob got up super duper early. If it was waiting for me, nothing would get done because it's 4 o'clock and I'm just getting down the stairs. So I have all my chargers. Oh my gosh, this is my favorite lip duo, and it's by e.l.f. And I can't. They don't even have tops. Like, I need something to put this in because it's gonna squeeze out into my bag. But you know, this is my bag that I'm taking with me. It's filled with snacks. It's just a pink Victoria's Secret bag. It's been my beach bag for years, and I don't know why, because it doesn't have any pockets on the inside to put anything in there. But we're just gonna drop those in. We're just gonna drop those in there and stuff. Hold that. That's your milk for your cereal. Milk for your cereal. Whatever. Same thing. Anyone see my sandal? Nikes, yes, there. These are my go-to. Oh gosh, sorry, I'm trying to do everything with y'all because I don't want to make Rob mad. Because you know, he's not happy when my makeup look weird. Oh, I'm getting it, baby. So get ready to head in the car because we're a little late. Gonna say prayer and it's leaking. What did you do? Yeah, were you shaking it? You did something for it to be leaking because it wasn't leaking last night. That's turned off. The table's empty. What's this random bottle on the sorry, it's darkness. Okay. Put this in the fridge. Or y'all can drink it and get rid of the bottles. Anyways, I'm gonna see you guys on the road. It's yours? Good morning. Okay, let me turn it on. What do you want to watch? Turn this on for me. Maddie has her little bag with her snacks and her doll down here. Thank you. There you go. Yeah. Oh. Gotta wait for it to come on. What are you watching? Netflix? Okay. Let's sign you in.
Oh.
Princess.
Princess and me.
Okay. Now you pick whatever you want, okay?
Use this boost strap. I need to get out of her.
Down to the ground, you're dragging me. It's constantly. No, I won't make a sound. I love the pain. It sets me free. It's wrong, I can't make right. I love the burden below you, telling myself that this is the last. It's wrong, I can't make right. Slipping off in the moonlight when I knew the truth. I hurt myself.
Right there. Can you read it? Fresh young chickens.
Keep your eye on the road, Rob.
Yeah, it's about chickens.
Chicken.
So we're about 1 hour and 15 minutes away from the beach. Yes. Yes. So Rob was trying to figure out who put the left-handed shovel. Yes,
Yeah.
Madison.
I'm trying to figure out who loaded the left-handed shovel.
Yeah, who loaded the left-handed shovel and the left-handed softball in the car?
No one knows.
Nobody knows. So
Because we don't have one.
there's not much traffic on the road, and we stopped and had breakfast. We had egg McMuffin or something like that.
Something like
I think it was Egg McMuffin. We're not too sure what it was.
Yeah, we're not sure what it was. I know what I ordered.
Yeah.
But I'm still hungry. Rob is, that just went in there and just dropped to the pit of his stomach. It didn't do anything. He's still hungry.
What is this junk that's playing?
It's a commercial.
Once I see something, I'm gonna
I love this song.
Baby.
Rob don't like music turned up. I've been waiting. Nobody nothing know us, I mean, nobody nothing know us, say you I give it up. Nobody nothing know us, come over me yard. Baby, take off your dress. Nobody nothing know us, say you but nobody nothing know us, say you I give it up. Nobody nothing know us, say you come over me yard. Baby, take off your dress. Right, babe? Every time you come in, I try to know I'm breathing. All I tell me, say I still ain't your
So we're here.
Good.
All right. So where do we put the umbrella?
Anywhere in this area.
Put it down. All right.
Matt, say hi. No? Okay, she's not sick. We just got here. Well, we got here at 8. We walked the boardwalk. I think it's like 9 a.m.
Downstairs sounds good for you?
That's good.
That's fine.
Perfect. Thank you.
No problem. What's your name, please?
So, you leaving at 5, honey? Around 5? Yeah. So probably leave at 5.
All right, that's it.
Thank you, brother.
You too. So, I don't do the water. I just like to sit and people watch, you know. So, it's a beautiful day. That's why we chose today, because yesterday it rained. And then it's supposed to rain tomorrow. And Rob only has a week. And we're trying to make the best of the 1 week, you know. I'm over vacation. I mean, I like vacation, but it's a lot of work that goes into going on vacation. So I try to do, you know, different stuff so I don't get bored. Because I get bored of the same stuff every day, all day. But anyways, I'm going to go enjoy the beach life with the kitties. And I'll see you guys in a little bit. My double chin has a chin. I don't know why that is. Oh, gosh. But anyways, vacation's over. Phone died. My phone died that I used to record, so vacation is over a long time ago. What? Today is what? Today's Thursday. And we went on vacation. We didn't go on a vacation. We went to the beach on Tuesday. But my phone died, so I couldn't really record.
Did you say vacation's over?
No, I said it wasn't really a vacation.
Oh, that's what you were saying. I still have
Rob still has 1 day.
3 more days.
No, Rob has 1 day. Weekend does not count. So,
3 more days.
you have my phone?
Yeah.
Okay. But don't let that fly in the house. Don't let him in. Close the door. I've just been slacking. I haven't been doing anything. Rob took me to eat today. Just me and him and the little one. Say hi, Rob.
Hello.
There go Rob.
I was
What you
secretly-
guys say? What do
I
you
was
what do you
secretly following you.
what do you guys say to the sunshines? Because he
Nothing.
doesn't really talk to you guys anymore.
Nothing.
You not gonna say
Just
anything?
chilling. Not ready to go back to work.
Ah, baby, today's free Slurpee day.
Really?
Say hi.
Did you get us free
Did you get
Slurpee?
free Slurpee?
Did you
Yes.
get us free Slurpee?
Yeah. This is her free Slurpee.
Did Desi drink so many times? No.
Your tongue is blue. Her tongue is blue. So, the what? No. The what? The what? Aren't you eating soup? No. What are you eating? Okay. So, I don't. What's up, teeny girl?
Stop.
What you got to say for yourself?
Nothing.
What do you do this whole summer?
You
cut it out over there. You cut it out right now. Cut it out. That's a no-no. 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 That's a no-no.
Where'd you guys go to eat?
Maddie don't have no manners.
Where'd you guys go to eat from?
She irritate me. We went to Papa John's.
Papa John's.
We had wings. Madison. Jesus. I know. Pouring right through her vein. That's one thing I noticed with Maddie is that whenever time she eats sugar, she's just a hot mess. But whatever. People, we need an ending for the beach trip. But just I edited and I realized I'm not having an ending, so that's why I'm on here. I tried to end it. And the little girl down my foot. My hair look a mess. I'm tired. This video is probably gonna be late as crap, but I don't care. I need an ending. So I hope you guys are having a good night. And I will see you guys tomorrow. You guys are gonna get Thursday's vlog on Friday because I'm trying to play catch up, you know what I mean? So thank you guys for watching. This video was just us going to the beach, and I know my kitchen is a hot mess. I'm getting ready to clean it up. And this was just a one-day trip to the beach. I wanted it like that. I've been doing it like this for a few years now because I'm just over the beach. I'm over being there for a whole week, and it's just not my thing. It's my husband's, but not mine because I get burnt. So I don't do beach for more than one day. Okay, so we're going back end of August or end of July, one of them, for a few days. So that's that. Anyways, I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.